Hello and welcome back to Chic and Sleek YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about something we all want, a brighter, more even skin tone. And the best part? We're going to make a face pack right at home with simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Let's start with honey. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to lock in moisture, making your skin look and feel soft and supple. Next up, turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps to reduce dark spots, pigmentation, and acne scars. And finally, yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing brighter and more radiant skin. Now let's mix it all up and apply it to our face. Make sure you mix it well so all the ingredients are evenly distributed. And now it's time to apply it to our face. Start with a clean face, and make sure to avoid the eye and mouth area. Leave it on for 15, 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And voila! You'll see an instant improvement in your skin tone. You can use this face pack once a week for best results. And the best part? You can customize it to your liking by adding other ingredients like lemon juice, aloe vera, or even oats. So go ahead, try this DIY face pack, and let us know in the comments below how it worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing skincare tips and tricks.